Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the pre-market outlook session for the day 9th of September 2025. Hope you all got the observation on the behavior analysis we provided for the first day of the week yesterday. And hope you also ventured with the behavior and the ranges we have mentioned, as the range has been perfectly respected. 24,700 on the downside and 24,900 on the higher side. Within the range only the Nifty yesterday traded. And with the buy and dip strategy also we have provided a strategy that also worked out well, as the support zone given the push up towards the 24,850 maximum, and from where the rejection based selling only possible, like we have yesterday discussed, that also respected by the Nifty's behavior or trend. Because from the mentioned resistance zone in the final hour after 2 o'clock, so the Nifty gave up some of its gain, about 200 points from the high, and closed with the 60 points. That means the overall close for the day happened in a positive manner, but in a slight positivity only it has witnessed. In terms of points we are seeing. So this is how the behavior analysis is working out, and we are easy to catch the points and even momentum before the points in the way of approaching by adapting our behavior analysis, so that only we are keep insisting you all to follow the discussions we are making, reports we are sharing, and overall the discussions apart from these reports and days when we are actually making the weekly based discussions we used to provide on every Saturday through the way of Zoom meeting. Also will be aiding you to all make the informed trading decisions with the specified range what it is going to be, and where the buying may be or selling may be occurring, like, and with the support of where the behavioral analysis actually giving the direction. So in all these strategical discussions and all would be helping you out to in advance to the actions that are happening on whether it is index or a stocks, would make you to get aware of the direction where it is really going to make, or if it is not following the expected direction. So where also one can get the hint of that trend change or a behavior change may happen, like. So in all the way we have provided all the guidance to approach the market sectors or stocks. So that is what the review based information along with the tactics we are actually following to approach the market. For the day, as like in yesterday's trend, the automobile will be supporting the movements, and we are not seeing profit booking based activities on auto stocks anytime soon. So which may help the stocks to further make a move from a positional perspective, particularly since the stocks like TVS Motor, Tata Motor, Bajaj Auto, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, except this Hero MotoCorp, all major stocks have given a confirmation from a positional perspective to make a big upside attempt, which may be providing you, if you invested in the current level or in a retracement or pullback, if it is any happening, with a buy and dip strategy. That would be a great strategy if you are start investing from now. And upside potential may be seen around 15 to 20% from the current levels. Current close means yesterday's one, the 8th September close one can take, and you can maintain this support for these stocks we have mentioned under auto. The 4th September day's low on closing basis, on daily closing basis, that means until it is closing below the 4th September low, every downside can be treated as a buying opportunity on these stocks. So this is particular, specific and special information about approaching the auto stocks, since they have given a great confirmation for the positional based movements. So because of yesterday's automobiles overwhelming support, the market, even though selling occurred in the later hours, it could maintain to close in the green. But for the day, a slight and steady opening we can expect on Indian markets. After opening this particular way, again, the behavioral based habitual actions can be expected. That was consolidating within a tight range, a sideways movement, which is only actually being happened on the benchmark index particularly for the recent months, and every month it is getting deteriorated in terms of movement and range. So that is what we can expect for the rest of the day today, with a sectoral shifts we can see. Since the auto got a shift based on the GST's reforms, which is a higher beneficiary one in terms of industries in India, like that the sectoral shifts can be expected in pharmaceuticals, IT, finance, bank, that is already in line, and metal realty as well. So these are all the sectors one can actually focus for getting opportunities while approaching the relevant stocks under the same. From the stocks front, we can focus on a news-based and behavior-based stocks like Tata Motors, technical behavior. TVS Motor, based on technical behavior as well as the news. Infosys, Godrej Consumer Product, Railtel Corporation, Strides Pharma, Hadco. These are all the stocks one can focus for the day trading opportunities. And for the positional kind of activities, those who are wanted to build the position on NIFTY or any other index or any other stocks, this particular level should be watched out. And based on the confirmation it is giving, one can actually keep the direction in the same line where the market or sectors or stock is giving. For that, in terms of NIFTY, as long as the 24,400 is being held by the spot index, which would be helping to breach the 25,145. But after closing above this 25,145 for a consecutive 2 days in a row, there only we can expect the acceleration towards 25,300 and 500 can be happen like. In case if it is not approaching either side range, that is, everyone can easily catch the point that the range bound activities with a sideways manner only can happen. But in case if the 24,400 has a strong interim, that means interim or a near future based support, if it get broken means the possibilities for approaching 24,000 which has been being discussed in many occasions as a great support or a buying or a demand zone, we can expect around 24,000 that can be expected based on the break below 24,400. These are all the strategies and levels discussed for positional based of activities. So that's it from today's part of pre-market outlook. We can discuss. It would be very important to keep the stop loss in all your transactions. So that's it. We can conclude today's session and we'll meet again tomorrow in the pre-market outlook session. Wishing everyone to have a fabulous day. Thank you.